So I'm going to explain how do we do histogram, how we can make changes in histogram using Minitab. So just here, if you can see, again, let me. So histogram. Now as you know, histogram can be performed only on numerical values. So or variable that is numeric. So I go under graph we have histogram right here. And you can see clearly three options are popping up: male, age, and face. So I'm just going to do, for example, age under, and then it's done. So this is histogram, but you know, this is by default. It has many categories. If I do that, you know, var values. So basically many I can't count, you know, from this way. So I just do right click here, edit graph. Under this, I do again here edit bars. Under bars, we have binning. And now I can see under binning, there are 38 bins. Number of intervals, 38. There's a midpoint, there's a cut point. So let me do number of intervals I would like to make, let's say 12. Now I can see that my histogram has been converted into 12 bins. Now, again, I would like to get some meaningful information from histogram. So basically, you can see if I click on this, bin 20 to 28 means this bin, particular bin, which is highest, starts at 20 and goes up to 28. So its cut point are 20 and 28. So what would be the midpoint? Midpoint would be the middle of the 20 and 28, which is 24. So this is midpoint and cut point concept. And how many values are there? 696 between these 20 and 28 numbers. Now I would like to make something meaningful. I would like to get to know how many people were there between age 20 to 25. So I can go again right here, you know, the same thing, edit bars, winning. Here I can do the cut point, midpoint, cut point. So I have, you know, so I can do the, you know, cut points as per my need. So I just go 6, 12, 20, 25, 30, 50, 60, and 75. So I'm just making manual. And now I can see clearly based on my own configuration. So this is the, since I took longer range here, and then I just do this cursor on this, and I can see bin is 30 to 50 and there are 1079 values. Now my interest was in this. How many people were there between 20 to 25? And I can clearly get there are 440. Similarly, in the question I have asked, what is the, how many infants were there? So you can just put the cut point and you can get to know the exact number. You don't need to do all the, you know, one by one counting or so on and so forth. So this is histogram. And you can also again edit bars under, you know, edit bars and sorry, edit bars, and under binning option, you can, you know, number of intervals you can change midpoint and cut point, and you can, you know, have different other options under this. But this is most important, that based on Sturge's rule, how you can configure, because earlier it was coming 38, now you can make the changes. So this is the way we do the histogram. and it can give you a lot of information for decision making. So this is histogram.